If you clicked on this video, I'm assuming that you want to make money online. You have seen people showing off their lifestyle from making money online. You have seen what types of ways you can make money online. You see that it's pretty much endless opportunity to make good money online. And you want to learn how to start, how to do it, how to actually get rich with money online. So there's three things that I wanted to talk about. The first thing is just starting something. If you see something that interests you, maybe it's day trading, maybe it's starting a clothing brand, maybe it's making YouTube videos with an AI content creator and making money from it. Whatever you see, just getting started at it. Because a lot of people, they'll see these things that interest them and then they'll never actually give it a chance. They'll never actually start doing it. They'll think about how they're going to do it and maybe they'll do some research, but they never actually just take the step in doing the damn thing. Number two is actually just sticking with one thing. Seeing the thing that you enjoy the most, that you can see yourself doing in the future, and just sticking with that one thing. And the third thing is being able to stick through it through seeing failure after failure. I've been day trading for 3 years and I have seen zero money. I've spent $10,000 and yet I still continue to try at this one skill. That's what you have to be able to do. You have to be fucking delusional about your success, that you know you're going to do it, that you know it's going to be so worth it when you finally complete it. Not complete it, but you finally understand and you start to make some money. So we're going to look at some of my old side hustles that I wanted to make be my full-time job. And I wanted to live that lifestyle, but I took the wrong path at first. I tried many things. I had that shiny object syndrome, which a bunch of people have because you're just constantly getting flooded by dopamine, and then you pop in this new idea that you think is going to get you rich, and then you realize it actually takes time to get good at it, and it actually takes time for the work to start compounding, and then you give up. So this is one of the things I tried. I tried to make not even my own clothing brand, but I tried to sell clothes online. I tried to do drop shipping with my own shirts. And actually, as you can see, I actually made some of them. Wrong way. They don't actually look bad, but they're copyrighted as shit. But I spent money. I spent money making these shirts. Yeah, I spent money making those shirts. I think, bro, they were at least $20. Yeah, I think it was $20 to buy one of those shirts. And I have 7, I want to say, $140. And that's, I want to say it's not the right thing to do, but you have to be willing to also invest and take a risk on yourself that you can actually do it. But that was not the right way for me. I realized that very fast, and I didn't want to do that work. And then also, I tried to do clipping. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but you basically go onto people's accounts, their social media accounts, and then you make clips for them, and you get paid by how many views you get. And it sounds good in theory, but you're really not getting paid shit, I'm not gonna lie. And I tried to do it, didn't like it. So that is side hustle number 2 that I tried. I also then tried, why is it in the corner? I tried Depop. Yes, I made $3,500 over 12 months, but I mean, you can see by that basket full of clothes up there, there's more clothes, there's hats that I bought. I went to the thrift store. I spent a bunch of time doing this. Also, right here, you can kind of see along here, there is clothes just filled. And in that corner, there's a bunch of packages so I could ship the stuff. Oh, you can see, why didn't I just do that? But you can see the basket, clothes up there, and then there's stuff on the side that comes all the way up to here. And I spent a lot of time and a lot of money trying this. Again, you have just trading was literally the first thing that I found too. Trading is the thing that I started with, and I enjoyed it, but it took time. I came into it wanting to get rich quick, of course, like anyone else would. And I tried other things because I wasn't getting rich quick. I kept doing trading on the side. I kept waking up for market open and getting better at trading all along, but I was just trying other things, which just overall took me away from making money with trading. If I spent all that time, that energy, even that money, I probably spent at least $5,000, $4,500 probably, buying all these clothes. If instead I invested that into a mentor, into my own education, I probably would be making a shit ton of money in trading right now. But instead, I fucking wasted my time doing other things. And I mean, okay, sorry. I was going to show you this. This is actually one of the first things that I tried. I tried to make a dog, a funny dog video channel. This was not this name. I changed it because I was going to do clipping, but if you actually want to get rich online, if you actually want to make money online, I'm not going to say get rich, but if you actually want to make money online, you have to just stick to one thing. Watch a video on like a tier list of the top ways to make money online. See what you like. Maybe spend some time watching videos on what it's going to be like to go through the journey, what it's going to be like when you actually are good at that skill, and see what you like the most, and then just stick to that one thing. Because there is no way, unless you're gambling, there is no way to get rich quickly. There's no way to start making money quickly, making good money quickly. You have to go through the journey no matter what. You're going to go through so many failures, and if you're able to push through them to actually become good at that thing, to actually have the skill to make money, then you'll actually do it. But if you're not willing to push through the hard times, you're just going to continue to cycle through. You're going to find a new thing, and then it's going to get hard, and then you're going to fail at it, and then you're going to find a new thing, and then it's going to get hard. You're going to realize how much work you have to do, and then you're going to find a new thing. And that cycle is just going to continue to go on and on and on. And you're never going to make any money. You're never going to have any actual value, and it's going to be worthless, I want to say, but also at least you're trying. Because otherwise, some people, they think about it their whole lives. They want to start to do something, and they don't even give it a fucking chance. That's even worse, honestly. At least you're trying in the other case, but some people just think about, they want to start trading so bad. That's how I was. I remember I wanted to trade so bad. I wanted to learn how to trade so bad. But instead of just taking the first step and looking up how to start learning to trade, to day trade, I just thought about it. I didn't actually take the fucking step. I didn't take the step to start learning, to start failing, to understand how I actually am supposed to do it, to actually create value. Because that's the thing with this online money. The thing is, you're creating value in one way or another. Maybe you're creating entertainment. Entertainment is a form of value. Maybe you're showing other people how to make money. Maybe you're showing other people how to improve their looks or become confident. You're building value. That's how you make money online. I mean, that's the formula. Is stick to one thing. Is actually try something. Stick to one thing. Go through the failures. Be willing to invest in yourself. And don't have a short-term vision. And you'll actually get there. You'll actually create value. And then you can show others how you got there. That's how you actually make money online. There's no fucking quick way to get money online. Unless you're fucking gambling. And eventually, if you're gambling, eventually you're probably going to lose that money regardless. But that's all I have for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, Stay tuned for more videos, and I see you in the next one. Peace out.